So guys, hope all is well. Life hasn't been going so great. I haven't been able to vlog as much because I've been working. And then to top it all off, after all of the working that I've been doing, all the jobs I've been doing, I wasn't allowed to do my final exams for the fourth year, first semester. So been a bit down. Did a video before, but I deleted it because I felt like if it was kind of being critical as opposed to just inspiring, and I'm trying to keep my channel on that inspiring or inspirational, pathway. So yeah, as I mentioned, I haven't been able to do my exams, and it's a totally devastating blow to just my career and everything. So that has been what's been going through my mind right now. I've been trying to put things in place with regards to getting a loan from my home country. The problem is that, one second, my son's playing with the fans. Please leave that alone, Eli. All right, 1 second. So yeah, sorry about that. So it's just been it's just a very stressful time period, and I mean, what's going through an entire semester. 7 weeks into the semester, you find out that okay, they've rejected your proposal. So you've placed more money into towards your tuition, and you said, well, okay, you can say I've made an effort, but they're adamant they want all of their money up front. So I was so like, if you spoke to me when I first put up the first video, that I deleted in the end, I was pretty down, and I still am down, but what can I do? I'm hoping that I can get this loan from back home from the Student Loan Bureau, but the likelihood of you getting that in time so I can start next semester and be able to do the exams for last semester as well as do the exams for this next semester is very unlikely. And I know I'm not trying to be negative in my own life, but it's just I like to keep myself grounded and realize, well, when something is very, very unlikely. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I mean, there are options in terms of... 1 second again, my son. Yeah, sorry about that. There are options with regards to doing for what I was going to do for the rest of the year that I will have to take off. So I was thinking exams, because for me, a person like me, I literally hate when I don't see progression in my life. I know a lot of people don't understand it, and a lot of people do understand it. But like when I was talking to my mom the other day, and I was trying to explain to her mom, it's so frustrating to sit down and think that for a year I'm going to be working and I'm not going to be seeing anything but money coming in, no progression in my career, nothing added to my career, nothing added to my CV, nothing. So I literally have one of three options. I can push to get the loan, so that the next time I re-enter dentistry, I'm a full-time student. Okay, that's my son again. I can, 2, take the full year off and do some exams in between there, whether it be the NDBE or the Diploma in Head and Neck Surgery, USMLE, something. But something to show that I didn't waste a whole year of my life, which it kind of feels like that's what it's heading to, where I'm just going to end up not wasting, but I mean, it's a gap year, but it's still a year of your life essentially working in something that you don't want to do, which is emergency medicine, which I'm thankful for the job, don't get me wrong, but it's not something that I see myself doing for the rest of my life. And then you're doing that and you don't have anything to show for it, because it's not like you're in a program or anything. You're literally just working to get money to pay your tuition. So that's kind of frustrating. Option 3, which I've already investigated and realized is not an option really per se, but I'm just telling you where my thought process was, where I was thinking about applying for a post in the UK, which would be like a post in oral and maxillofacial surgery, but apparently those posts are reserved for General Dental Council. 1 second again. Sorry about that. My son dropped the unplugged iron on the ground. So it's unplugged, so don't worry, guys. But yeah, it's the jobs, as I mentioned, the oral and maxillofacial posts in the UK are reserved for. It's essential that you have a dental degree and it's desirable that you have a medical degree. It's not the reverse. So I can't even apply for that job. I have to apply for like a general surgery or plastics or ENT. You know, those things that are kind of, they're needed, but yeah. And I kind of worked out what I would work, you know, what I would be able to save if I was up there. And yes, you make a little bit more, but it's not to the point where I can come back and say, okay, I have the money for my tuition for the next, you know, 2-3 years. So I'm just between a rock and a hard place. I'm frustrated. I'm not even gonna tell you a joke, guys. I just don't know what to do, because I'm surprised that they turned down my my salary deduction proposal. And the reason for that is, like, I'm one of the few students who is working and studying. I literally am paying as I'm going along. I'm not telling you I'm going to pay at the end. I'm literally paying as I'm going along. And they turned it down. So while I'm thankful for the blight that they gave me to allow me to continue so long, but I mean, I've made an effort. Like, give me a break. But guys, I'm down, but I'm not out. So I'll keep you posted on what's going on. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably not gonna blog for a little while, because I'm just trying to just keep quiet and not fall into depression. So keep posted. If I do start the study for diploma in head and neck surgery, depending on what goes on in the next couple of weeks, in terms of my loan and from back home, if that doesn't come through, then I'll definitely start studying for some exam. So it's between diploma in head and neck surgery, the MBDE Part 1, and the USMLE Part 1. Whichever one I choose, I'm going through with it. So let me know which one you think I should do. Let me know if you have any ideas about how to, you know, hustle and make some money. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think.